In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Instagram auto-generated captions. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram application and then start creating posts as you normally would. For that, I tap plus icon, select post. Let's select some video. Let it be that one. Tap next. Select post, tap next again, and here select advanced settings. And once you opened advanced settings, here check the show captions feature. If it's toggled on, your videos will show auto-generated captions, and you can change this option on individual posts by tapping on that button. Now I toggled off that option and Instagram wouldn't create auto-generated caption for that post. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.